Englander is the largest tool and die manufacturer in Israel, making precision dies for almost 60 years and have a long, respectable clientele from leading automotive suppliers to electronics and defense applications. Cimatron die design is an important innovation that helps us to do things better, faster, and more accurately.
Cimatron was clearly the right choice for us. The fact that we can use Cimatron for the entire die-making process makes us much more efficient than using different software packages for different tasks. Importing a file to Cimatron is easy, and we can get to work immediately without spending precious time fixing data. We use Cimatron to generate price quotation, design the strip and the die tool, and then use the NC application for milling and wire reading. Since Cimatron is a fully integrated solution, we have eliminated the need to transfer data between different systems, so we don't experience data loss and time loss.
Quoting used to be a time-consuming task for us in the past. Now with Cimatron die design, we can do it much faster.
Working in die design is a huge time saver. It has smart built-in functionality that make the process very quick and simple. We can move back and forth between 2D and 3D to work faster. We can make the strip design quicker and more accurate than anything we have experienced. Having the finite element analysis built right into the system eliminates the time-consuming process of the physical blank development we used to go through in the past.
The support we have from Cimatron is second to none. The people at Cimatron really understand tooling. It's refreshing to be able to call a vendor and talk to a person that really understands your challenges. The bottom line is that Cimatron die design makes us more productive and enables us to take more projects than we were able to do in the past. No matter how complex the project is, we can take it with a high level of confidence, knowing that we will be able to deliver a quality product in a timely manner and to the customer's satisfaction.